Hey there, welcome back to our channel App Hacks, and on this episode I want to show you how to fix Instagram filters not working. So if you are also facing the problem of Instagram filters not working, so if you open the Instagram app and any filters is not working, then how can we fix this problem is simply you need to go back to the home screen. First thing first, you must remember that your Instagram application is up to date because there might be any new changes to Instagram and the old filters might be removed from the Instagram itself. So that might be also the reason why your filters might not be working. So first thing first, go to the Play Store or the App Store that is available on your mobile device and you need to search for the Instagram on the search bar, and this way, so when the app appears on the result section, if there is any update button instead of open button here on the screen, it is shown open because I have already updated my Instagram app. You need to update your app. It's very important because there might be bugs or the glitches that might be creating the problem of filters not working. Once you update the application, the next step what you need to do is you need to head into the settings on your mobile device, and once you get access on the settings page, scroll all the way down and tap on apps. Now tap on app management. When all the application get loaded, you need to scroll down and search for Instagram. If this way you don't find the Instagram app, you can simply scroll again and tap on the search bar and type in Instagram and find the app. So when you tap on Instagram, you will get access on the app info page of Instagram where you need to tap on storage users and clear all the cache of Instagram. Tap on clear cache. After you have cleared the cache, your problem of filters not working will be definitely resolved. If yet not, then once you need to uninstall and reinstall the application and restart your mobile device too, because on your phone also there might be the problem that is creating the filters not working on Instagram. Following this all the steps, your problem will be solved. I hope you got the information well. If this information was useful for you, then hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the notification bell so to never miss an upcoming video from our channel. Thank you guys.